From this viewpoint, BGI Retail might look like any other company, but under these two roofs is a beehive of activity with one purpose: to design and build engaging in-store fixtures and decor programs for leading retailers and brands just like you. We offer a comprehensive suite of integrated design services to create retail environments that effectively engage customers and drive sales. Our in-house design center is a treasure trove of tactile materials and finishes to explore. Concepts become reality through shop drawings that maintain design integrity while guiding the production process. BGI Retail is an industry leader with exceptional digital printing capabilities and capacity. We continually invest in new technology to exceed our clients' demands for sustainable, high-quality printing on a wide range of substrates. We excel in the integration of mixed materials like woods, metals, aluminum, and plastics to create display and decor programs for rollouts large and small. BGI's story is one of continuous and sustained growth. To service the growing needs of our customers, we have expanded to 6 times our original size in 1989. Our current complex encompasses 250,000 square feet of consolidated manufacturing, engaging over 130 full-time employees. Within our ultra-modern manufacturing facilities located in southwestern Ontario, we deliver craftsmanship in every detail of our projects. Our millwork team applies their trade skills with a variety of natural and engineered materials to produce a wide range of store fixtures and merchandisers. We design, engineer, fabricate, and finish metal displays, systems, and components that are often integrated with wood and decor components we build. This ensures a proper fit and function in the field, as well as timely delivery, critical to our customers. BGI is conveniently located only 1 hour from Toronto, 2 hours from Buffalo and Detroit. We provide a full suite of consolidation services to manage product inventory and on-time delivery, reduce freight costs, and meet the speed-to-market demands of timely store openings. Just like our customers, we live in retail time. Our goal is to be your first call.